In order to be successful with search engine optimization, one of the most important strategies, one of the most important things you need to understand is adding meta tags to your website. Now, if your site is built on WordPress, you can use plugins. If it's built on platforms like, let's say, Wix, then you can get in touch with them and ask how you can add meta tags into your site. Or you can always write meta tags and send them to your web developer and he can add those for you. But if you're going to do this yourself, and if you have a WordPress site, then you can download a plugin and the plugin will help you add meta tags easily. So meta tags will help you create title tags, description tags, XML sitemaps, and so on. The most common one right now that everybody uses, including us here, is Yoast. It's a free plugin, unless of course you get their premium services. But you can download Yoast and then add your description tags, add title tags, etc. in Yoast. It'll also give you some other ideas, or you can use all-in-one SEO. This is the one we used previously. We moved to Yoast, but both are equally good. You can use any of those. Both are free to start with. Once you have these plugins in the back end of your website, it'll help you add the meta tags easily and more efficiently.